Welcome to UnifiedCommunications.com. Today we're going to look at the Plantronics Savi 8220 model, the newest model from the Plantronics Savi 8200 series. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So the first piece we have is a headset, which is a binaural model, which means it covers the ears on both sides. The next piece we have is the base station for the headset. And here we have a packet of cables. We're going to take a look and see what cables are in here. First cable we have is a telephone interface cable, which will connect the base station of the headset to the telephone itself. Next cable we have is a USB-C to a USB-A cable. Next we have actually two pieces. It's the AC adapter, and it's modular, so you can actually switch out the adapter plugs. Finally, we have the USB-A to USB-C, which will connect the base station to the PC. And here we have the quick start guide and warranty information in this little packet. So what's new about the Savi 8220 model? Well, first of all, it's very comfortable and it's actually really light. It has a nice long extended microphone boom, so you can flex it. And it has noise canceling on the microphone, and it has this really new feature that you use through the Plantronics Hub software where you could do call privacy. Also, it has one touch control, so you go end, call, and mute right here from the headset. It has a USB-C connection, so you can use this cable and connect it to the headset and charge it. Here we have a ringer in the bass, which is a new feature. So what that means is that the bass will actually ring when you get a phone call. And so what are some new features that aren't visible on the headset? Improved range. Right now, it's 590 feet, which is a big step up, and it's great for any large office environment. It also has DEC 6.0 security encryption, and it has conference up to 4 headsets, which all you have to do is just take the headset of each user and just dock it in the base, and it will conference it up. And so that's what's new in the Plantronics 8220 model. If you have any questions, please visit us at UnifiedCommunications.com.